Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. I got the old tiller running again. I put fresh gas in, put a shot in the carburetor, checked everything out, fired it up, and it runs. Runs good. Now I'm going to till our garden over there and get some corn in. So we got some corn sprouting to give us a head start. Well guys, 2 runs through the old beast. Some of you may remember that was seized up when I got it, and it served me well for years. I am loving it very much. So this soil smells good. If those of you who know gardening know what I mean. It's certainly not yellow sand anymore. Now I'm going to have to go through. These are a problem. They have roots under the ground that run throughout the whole garden. And they spread really bad. So I'm going to have to pull even a piece of weed. A piece of root will probably regrow. So I'm going to have to come through here and rake and lift out grass and weeds and stuff throughout the next days. And then as they start to regrow, I'll see that and I'll have to pull them out. But now that it's softened, I'll be able to maintain this better. And I'm going to hit this over the next few days. I'll keep hitting this and make sure I kill everything out. So I can't believe how much grass regrew in here just over a year that we abandoned our garden when we were gone in Gaylord working our store. But there's a lot of nutrients in this soil. Look at that. This is just, there's stuff in there now. I mean, it's organic now. It's full of stuff now. We've been adding to it every year. And we wanted to do the back to Eden style gardening, but because we were gone last year, tiller didn't get that as good on this edge. We lost it. And once the weeds take over, you got to sort of start over, and that's why I tilled again today. So it is what it is. A lot of people I know are going to be upset that I tilled, and I was planning on the back to Eden, but we were gone for a year. But the soil, once I get the weeds and grass out, the soil itself is definitely not sand anymore. And it's I mean, look. There's organic material in there. Look at that. It's amazing. And it smells like, it smells good. There's a certain smell to fertile soil. Now, I grew up gardening my whole life, but it was a much different environment. And up here, we're still learning to deal with the harsh environment. So it's going to take us time, and it's going to take us time to amend the pure sandy soil into something that'll grow vegetables for us. We came into a wild, untamed area, so to say, and we're trying to grow food in it, and that's not easy, especially when it was all sand. Right, Michelle? So, I'll show you what this looked like when we got here. Here's an example of what it was. Look here. Compare the... Watch out, there's flowers right there. Compare the black to the pure sand. This is what we had. This is what we started out with. Michelle, don't walk in the... I just tilled that. She's smart. All you gotta do is tell her. So, you know, that's nice from this to this. Really nice transition. Michelle, show us how the gate works. Close the gate. There it is. Can you open the gate for me? Can you open the gate for me? This is Melanie's garden. Thank you. And she's been working out here. She's got all kinds of plants going on. She's got peas that are going to climb up the fence. And I'm not sure what all this is here. She's got some tomatoes. And she's rabbit-proofed the whole area all the way around so that our food will be safe from the rabbits at least. And here she started planting some things. There's some onions and stuff. She's still got a lot more left to do. But she's really working at it here. This is one of her gardens. The other one she's still got a lot more to backfill. But she's got her own raised beds here. Melanie has also been at work up here. She's got flowers. All kinds of flowers. There's her Mother's Day gift for me. That's going to perk up now that it's outside. A real rose. She's still weeding this, and she's got some flowers in here. And that was up by the mobile home. I see she's painting her stones all the way around. And this is her butterfly garden. She's got butterflies all over. Some of you may remember I call her my butterfly. And so this is her butterfly garden. Hey everybody, got a package in the mail. It says homedepot.com. So I don't know if that's anything I've ordered. What do we got going on here? Oh, somebody has sent us, what is this? Gurney's Seed and Nursery, bush beans, early contender, early beans, good, we need early. What do we got? Germination 6 to 14, well we're going to sprout them. Oh good, I'm going to give that to Melanie, she's planting right now. What's this? Cabbage Hybrid Stonehead. And Cucumber Organic Sweet Marketmore. Interesting. And here we have Tomato Hybrid Early Girl. Early is good. Very good. We'll plant these tomorrow. So we got some tomatoes, some cucumbers, some cabbage, and some bush beans. I love beans. Oops, I'm off the camera. Well, whoever sent these, thank you very much. We will be planting these tomorrow. It is planting time. We are definitely planting everything right now. Perfect timing. Thank you. I'm going to go in and show Melanie. I'm on my way out to check on Chris, by the way. Chris is taking it easy today and settling into his new home. And I'm going to go see how he's doing. So he is not here on the homestead and not with us. He has his own place, which will remain undisclosed. But I'm going to go check on him and see how he's doing. So I'll talk to you guys later. Whoever sent these, thank you very much, because we're definitely going to be enjoying them. Thank you. And the timing is perfect.